Man, guys, the progress with all of my minions and I saw them. All of them line up in front of me. You see all of them? I just threw them feeding pan empty. Look water. Them have left, so. Right about now of them mega deep, guys. Feed them and give them water, you know? One night, so. So the progress are going to the chicken now, so them bigger now. White feather last time, most of them are yellow feather them off. That is it, man, guys. Stay tuned and try going. Yeah, man, guys, so this is how I dealt with it. We got the piece of scotch brighter, so now as usual. Wash out them little water thing, you know? Yeah, man, guys, so after I wash out both of them now, and I go full them. This time I drop in some little vitamin for them, you know, guys. So whether the vitamin them I get, sometimes we give them the Sinker Bible. Yeah, and healthy and strong. Go up on the road today, guys, and I make sure so them well fed, you know, water, everything. Pull up them feeding pan at the same time. This thing give an water this, you know, guys. Just throw now enough and ready for it mix up the same, you know. Look at carp full. And the vitamin them I get, I look back for that expensive, you see it, you know. Aloe vera plant one tree over here, so, but you know, I cut out the nag and chance to grow. See it there? Come on, then root up here. So you go. And cut off the whole ice. Watch all them around the pan. See, there's some coming with this. If you hot to them, guys, full of my drink already. If I never see that base here come in, load up, so. Take out that small thing. And then now we hear them just that eat off the pan of easy out, so now go. Look at about me. Dra. Look at it, guys. Everybody enjoy a meal with our belly full light over the sides. Man, guys, depending on the man adventure we say, if you see background you will say I'm part today. And the Amazon right now is a mission to depend, you know, dress that way for no reason, you know, water boot and something. So I go on here, guys. Mango. Yeah, look some mango, guys. So I touch the road with you, you know? I venture. That is it, man. See mango tree them. A whole heap of mango there gone, guys. But through up on a hill, them a drop a roll and go down, so down in them you have to go. They are ready. Find half bucket of mango. They have ghosts around this, I look mango to with the sea here. check down in here, so you know, check that perimeter, yeah, 2, 3, this or this. Along with this are blocky. Anyways, I check down in here, so guys. Come on, I check. All heap of fruits up in the bush, you know, guys. Mango and apple up here, well. One more drop there, let's go. Look there. And so them drop out the tree and just spring come down your foot. Only for people pass through from morning, guys, so and a nice one will just drop all of it. See it? Just drop. Add to the tally. Moving again. One more. Again, well nice. Let's see what I go on. And so we are continuing to go down in the father goes. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, over there, look, man, to me, I circle and I say, hey. The kids, them, and couple elder. People are selling longer than past, so yeah, so 30 time already, guys. And see, there is still a fine mango. Still a fine bucket almost full. And shampoos actually. Yeah. Birds are chirp. Right now we're near to the river we always go with the falls, guys. So far we're up in the hills. I continue going that way, that direction. End up a river. And that wouldn't be such a bad idea, you know. Okay, time. What? Then, guys, I have to do it for the venture. Like a different breed of mango over there, so. So one down there, so, but man, it look too ripe for. I kill up myself, go down there and find a hole in it. You know? Very nice. A couple more there, so. One more there. Look at that bite up. Mangoes and all kind of something. And more there, so just drop. Fresh drop. That is it. Black mango, this guy is the one named Blackie. Something to eat up that already. Two of them are sweet, them and stay young long, you know, guys. All the way, so you pick up our just drop. Them if stay any longer, insect mash them up, worm, mongoose, bird, etc. Bush rat, everything. So all of them have something with just drop. I think that one is so active. Not active at all. I could drop and get a hard lick. And then maca tree come like somebody. So one thing with the forester, guys, you have to be careful. You can't just hold on and go about your business. If somebody chop off them when you what they would open is choke me on my finger, you know, guys. Whole heap of tree like this there, boy, man, guys. So you have to be careful when you go through. You can't touch it, lean on it. Try not drop. So you have to take time shampoos and go through, guys. You know, guys, man. Them hard breeze that we have blow. on that one. Nice, honest, so. I look on the side. Not good at all. Come on, guys, I'm hard breeze that we have blow. Instantly, mango start to come back down. Yeah, there. I should not say that I want the drop, but I'm like, I know walk away. Tree right over our head, guys. Too well, like somebody put them down for me. Ain't it? Yeah, man, guys, so this is our mats for the day. Man, the hunt with there, guys, you know? Here does come so I can't afford for no whole heap of. You understand? Yeah. No, nothing. Getting right. Man go down this way, you know? So that down in the unload them here. And then touch the road again. Stay tuned, guys. That is it. Yeah, man, guys. That is it, man. Bucket full there. Second or third time that bucket are full, you know? Back there, so. Yeah, and broski there, you know? One ghost. That is it, man. So I'm going, guys. On the inside there be a bird you can hear. That a mats. That is it, guys. Out again. I mean, they are born also I fat up in a hills. That is it, guys. Be like something bite me. Right, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. Breeze well cool up in a hilltop. They are going and blow a take a 5, you know. That is it. Out there again. I touch the street with them, man, guys, so I'm not gonna see everything, you know. Touch out night town them and Lego some mango. And see the outcome of it, so I'm not gonna do it with my journey. Just gonna stick. Stay tuned and grab a popcorn and your soda. Watch how I go. Mango sweet, you know, guys. We done mash up some of them already, so we know where I give people, you know. Well, sweet. Yeah, man, we out there, man. That is it. That one, what that one name again?
This is a bastard leader.
I know it's sweet. Rest of the one here long is one is thin and up on top of going easy.
They don't even know what kind of mango this is pussy.
Sweet, man. So out again, guys. I gotta load up and then move out, so stay tuned. Watch out, man. Yeah, man, guys, I feel see that cold breeze I have now. This feeling and all after coming out of the hills. Right now, we're going to guys that collect some trash. Put on the mango them so you can stay fresh and firm, you know? And you see bro there collect some too. Mango done down in the crate, so you know what to see,
Yes.
Push it back. This I process every time we load, guys. Just come back and full up the big object area.
I briefcase, man.
Yeah, the man got the proper care, you know. That is it. Mango, guys. Sweet already.
Yeah, throw the next one.
Yeah, that one there, man. Trash. Put look at trash pan top. Come on, put on top on it. So I don't know. I'm going for beers.
We don't just see it. We're doing the next box. The next box.
Old man.
No, come. We can't complain.
Looking my guy. Yeah, check out everything.
Black mango and long mango.
That is it, man. Think that guys.
The black mango and some long mango we have out here, man.
Bag we are bag them out, you know. There in a Port Maria. Town of Port Maria, guys. Big giant supermarket over there, so. Look come on, even the sun cool and the rush hour come, you know it already, guys. You see me? That is it, man. Stay tuned, we are going to bag out the mango, you see, guys. Don't start till as people see chunk bust them know already, you know? That is it. Yeah, man, guys, that's how I go on. No, go there, so you know, we're out there, almost done. Look on that. Half already. Go into that bed.
You can taste that one now.
Oh, the stringy?
No, but I'm string on there.
Leather skin.
Leather skin. You want this one? Wash off it.
No, no, I
Oh, okay.
So
Which one you
Four
want?
days that does
You
though.
come from Portland. Portland sent me here. Lonnie?
Victoria. You want leather skin? These are the leather skin. Take this
I
back.
see everything.
Are you sure you don't want the long meat? Sure.
Beautiful mango like.
Mango sell off, guys. Bucket empty. Somebody ordered that and put it down there, so. Shell long. Empty out. That's how we do with the road, man, guys. One ghost. That is it, man. Right in front of KFC, we stay and do bad sit there. One KFC, the most traffic going at Jamaica. KFC never empty, you know.
Right, yes.
Money, stop the YouTube and open a KFC franchise. Never broke again. But good no, man, that is it, man, guys. So yeah. Last of them this. Last of them that, guys. No time them gone. I will just do so. That is it, man. See there again. Empty.
4 bills. Right there.